Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest gadgets and accessories. Today, we're diving into the world of Apple AirTags with a focus on the AirTag holder compatible with Apple AirTags, brought to you by Pautas. Let's delve into what makes this AirTag holder stand out from the rest. But before we do, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest reviews. First off, compatibility. This holder is specifically designed to snugly fit the Apple AirTag 2021, ensuring easy installation and removal. Next up, let's talk about protection. The AirTag holder provides 360-degree full-around protection for your valuable AirTag. Made from premium soft TPU material, it's shockproof, dustproof, and drop-proof, giving you peace of mind wherever you go. Plus, with an IPX8 waterproof rating, your AirTag stays safe even in wet conditions. Now, let's discuss the design. The AirTag holder comes in multiple transparent colors, allowing you to personalize your device while also helping you distinguish between different items. The transparent visual design not only adds a touch of style but also enhances usability. One of the standout features of this holder is its signal interference-free design. Despite its protective capabilities, this holder is small, lightweight, and engineered to ensure it doesn't interfere with your AirTag signal, maintaining optimal performance at all times. Now, let's take a look at what you get with your purchase. Each package includes one protective AirTag holder and one stainless steel key ring for added convenience. Please note that the Apple AirTag itself is not included. And as always, if you have any questions or concerns, don't hesitate to reach out to Pautas customer support team. They're dedicated to ensuring your satisfaction with their products. Now, you might be wondering about the price. Well, you'll be pleased to know that this AirTag holder is priced at just $4.99, making it an affordable and essential accessory for your Apple AirTag. In conclusion, the AirTag holder compatible with Apple AirTags from Pautas offers top-notch protection, sleek design, and hassle-free usability, all at an unbeatable price point. Whether you're keeping track of your keys, bags, or even your pets, this holder has you covered. That wraps up our review of the AirTag holder compatible with Apple AirTags. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And remember to stay tuned for more insightful reviews on Product Critique. Until next time, happy tagging!